All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am back to do reaction 2 with the endothermic and exothermic reactions. So this reaction, you have a baking soda solution, which is in this glass, and then I have a calcium chloride powder that I have in this cup here. And I'm going to mix the two together. Before we begin, there's a question, and you have to make a claim. The question is the reaction between baking soda solution and calcium chloride an endothermic reaction or an exothermic reaction? So make sure you write your claim underneath that. There are also 2 additional questions that you should answer before you watch this video. What will happen in the reaction to prove that this is an endothermic reaction? And what would happen to prove that this is an exothermic reaction? So you want to have all of those questions answered before we begin. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the temperature of the baking soda solution. And then you are going to write this down in the data table. And it says temperature Celsius of the baking soda solution before the reaction. So the temperature before the reaction is, let's see, we are looking at, I'm waiting for it to stop changing, 26 degrees Celsius. So record that down in your handout. I'm going to leave this thermometer in here. Yeah, 26 degrees Celsius. I'm going to leave this in here, and I am going to slowly add some calcium chloride, which is just a white powder. You can see that there's some bubbling happening, which is a release of a gas. We've now gone to more of a milk color solution, a white solution. And I'm looking at the temperature, and the temperature is up to 29 degrees Celsius. We want to wait and make sure that that is as hot as it's going to get. Yeah, so we're up to 29 degrees Celsius. So on your data table, you want to put under the column that says temperature after the reaction is 29 degrees Celsius. So there are some questions following this that you need to answer. Was this an endothermic or an exothermic reaction? And number 8, what side of the reaction, the reactant side or the product side has the most stored energy? The reactant side included the baking soda solution and the calcium chloride. The product side is what's left in our glass. So we'll discuss this in class, and then we'll move on to the rest of the handout. Okay? Have a great afternoon. Bye.